Tired of waiting for your paper bank statements to arrive or digging through piles of mail for past financial records? Today, we're going to show you how to easily access and download your TD bank statements online through TD EasyWeb, saving you time and keeping your financial life organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to the TD EasyWeb login page. Enter your access card number or username and your password. Then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your EasyWeb home screen. Look for the My Accounts section, which lists all your linked TD bank accounts. Click on the specific account for which you want to retrieve statements. This will take you to your account activity page. On this page, you'll see either a Statements or a Statements option. Click on it to proceed to your statement archive. Here, you'll find a list of your available statements, typically organized by month and year. Select the statement period you wish to view or download from the drop-down menu or list. Once selected, your statement will open in a new tab or window, usually as a PDF document. This allows you to review it directly in your browser. To download the statement, simply look for the download icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing downwards, or a floppy disk icon in your browser's PDF viewer. To print, look for the printer icon. Clicking the download icon will prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save the file. Give it a recognizable name and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and downloaded your TD bank statement online. You can now conveniently view, print, or save your statements for your records anytime, anywhere. Embrace the convenience of online banking and manage your finances with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful banking tips.